Hello guys, welcome back to another origami demo video. Today I'll be showing you some really cool spinners that I made, 3D, some that I made, some that I didn't make, but I'm going to demo them all. And then I'm going to teach some of them. So starting off with some Easter egg spinner, 3D, and they're all water bomb variations. And this one is from Origami Guy 4. This one's from mine. I'll be teaching you. And then this one is a variation of this one. And then these are pyramids. One that I made. And this one is a cake that I made. And this one is an emoji with a mouth and eyes. And it is also a Easter egg. And then now I'm going to show you how to work. To these ones I'm going to teach in about 1 week and 2 days. Very simple Sunday tutorial. This one kind of spins, went flat, but not really, went flat. When you make it like this with two folds, 2 more folds, then it'll spin a little better, like that, like a spinning top. And here's another one. Yeah, sometimes it won't work. Yeah, when you get just right, it'll spin like spinning top. Then this cake spinner. I was gonna teach you today, but I didn't yet. Because I was busy. So it'll get out to you with next origami it'll get out to you very soon. In a couple of days. So stay tuned, and then we'll keep that for you. And then these eggs that kind of spin. And this one spins really good, kind of. Yeah, they spin like that. Stay tuned for these two. I'll teach you them. Bye. I hope may the Lord bless, and have a great rest of your week. Bye.